Mwancho mwigiria Ensoko TV bia mona singinchi yogo chora kurigiria Ensoko TV nigo bano chiaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabo no mbaso chinga kinyo koretera mangana maya senchira yo bwenge ncheni gonkoro kwa Debora Kirubo. Abarayi be kanisa korwe nsemo ya Githunguri imeye kaunti ya Kiambu nigo bono bachiramo na kuboria serikali ya Kenya koenekya bunanku bwatokere chibese chisaine guchiase chiskuru echo chirache gokonya chingaki cyo kuigora we chiskuru umwako gocha chingaki bono abo bisa bobo chenu babolirie serikali enene neriye county koenekya abakenya nkonyora bare obokoreri obuya obwo bwobogwenia asebono abakenya baboligwe kweri kiano muroberio bwogwakanira bwoborwaire gwetera ekegancha giasha asabona abo bisabo bachakirie chikampe gose chikambi chokorwa obogwenia bwabusa imeje county ao.
Please let us celebrate sparingly, because number one, we know that the government is reducing the capitation. So December will be over and January will come and we're required to take the children to school. But we are also and you might be able to be required to pay a little bit more because of the reduction of the capitation.
Tungeomba kwa sababu hiyo pesa ilikuwa imepatikana na serikali kaamua na ilikuwa inapata hiyo pesa, iangalie ilipotelea wapi, itengeneze na watapata njia ili ule mtoto ambaye mzazi wake hawezi kumlipia apate nafasi ya kusoma.
Education, I can say, may God help us in our country, because education is very important. Because when people, because of knowledge, we need a lot of knowledge in our school, and some children, they cannot learn when there is no school fees. So it is our prayer for the government to look upon that issue, and I know God is going to help our government.
Tuko na mipango ya kuhakikisha kwamba zile sehemu ambazo serikali ama katika serikali gatuzi hazijaweza kufikia, tunaweza kusaidiana nao kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wanapata huduma.
Hivyo wewe wakati unaenda hospitali, anzia na ile hospitali ya chini, ile dispensary, alafu ama ile health center, zile tunaita primary health care facility, ama pia kuna level 4 zimekubaliwa kuona watu mara ya kwanza.
Ingekuwa mzuri kama tunaweza fanya even hata twice a month. At least hawa wazee wengine ni wazee sana hadi hawawezi pata access ya kwenda hospitali, like a means of transport.
Hii dispensary yetu ipanuliwe, iwe na vifaa ambavyo vinaweza vikatusaidia huku nyanjani bila kusafiri.
Utikana na roboti uru bono company ya Optiven nigo yaruwe bosemia guchia sabasaye batu aruko bwatana nabo igo gosoa so bonchereria erio kweyagacha na kwarigania ose kwyarigania soborai bwa matukale bosio aya nigakwanwa sege ikaro yakorwa imeya kitengela aseba cha kirie miroberio yoko rubo semia guchia sabasaye abo.
Therefore, hundreds of CEOs that are controlling over 400 billion kind of business. And today we were here with our children, with our teenagers, with the Gen Zs, and one of the major purposes, number one, to network, number two, to be able to introduce our young people to business, because we are getting older. It's about succession planning, so that in the future, if it is Optiven, there is a young person who can take over from George Washiri, a young person can take over from other CEOs.
And we visit each other's organizations, we get to know what people are doing, we encourage them, and then when you want something, whether you want to buy a product or you need assistance, we have a WhatsApp group, so you ask people, and we're always helping one another. You will find help that you need in that group. It doesn't matter.
Abarayi be kanisa ya Friends Church korwachi county Isano na Isato nigo bona batugutayirare umuswada bwa serikali uyorengetie gwetia asabatabire buna umuswada uyo nigo ukobalina abayigenwa ali bagabene ryo gusasima nabo igo nigo le mamincha yeri chikorie kanisa.
Hali ya kutokuwa na hamu ya kutekeleza mambo fulani ndio imetuleta pahali penye tuko. Otherwise kama kanisa hatutaki tuongozwe na commission halmashauri yenye imechakuliwa na state. Tutakuwa tunarudi nyuma pahali tulitoka miaka ya 1647 when the Quakers said no to the the state. And that's how the Quaker Church was started.
Hii mswada ukipitishwa, it will be the beginning of the struggle from the church. The church is not going to give up. The church can never give up on what it believes is right. And we are going to start a struggle to liberate the church. Because hii mswada ni ya kuua makanisa. Na sisi tunasema, we get our power from up there and we are not going to surrender it.
And I want to emphasize that the government should be able to delink itself from regulating the activities of the church. Because already for the past many years, the church has been in operation. And we have not seen anything wrong with it. In fact, it has even been assisting the government to ensure that things are running smoothly, to ensure that there is peace. And we have everything that we have been doing in a very transparent and accountable manner. We have always submitted what the government requires to the registrar of societies, who is an appointee of the government. And we are urging each and everybody to ensure that this bill is rejected.
Omonchoreria nabo igoyo korigie kirogo kyobo bunge wa West Mugirango Mosike Rogers Moturi nigasabire abarai bonsi bagusi gotichamo elio gosenya gosira gosekorosia chifamily ekyo chianyoro mu basokano ime ya Tombe Ikonge na Rangenyo nigo bono Moturi asabire boyigo mugabana Amos Nyaribo kobeke bendera ye county ya Nyamira enusu buna esiko gochiase chifamily chiria chiasirie abancho bwabo kubwatikana no mu basokano bwebara ojo irete amagima y'abantu 10 nabo igo bono chifamily bene nigo chieso kirie na gusaba obokonyi kurwa asabarai ao elio bachiye gokora amatanga kobomo aya abamwe ababo basirete amagima abo
bakarinde kogenda
Asambalia tayunguru kwa Rogers Moturi Ongera elio ya West Mugirango eli tangani tigangire libageli kurwa engora nene sana ubichia sabantu baito basirire imeyagusi ase Chinsa 24 chaelire abantu baito ba Rangenyo balinge kurwe enyangi kurwalia somo choka Kamega ekanisa yeito ekwaya ya SDA Rangenyo Central SDA Church indwe engora sana aso ogosiri abantu abange asekenyolekyo abana kwaya indwe engora na inde ntebye abantu barangenyo una ntogendrete kubasabira Nyasaye ta kubatiga Nyasaye no ale na barabo chinga kichons chinga kichobo kongunobo ni chinga kichobya minu waeli tiga na inche nsabe ase abarundi abaito bechigali bapara mono engakiye ye Christmas ogutara koro konge abantu bakogenda chinka chiabo bajikulie Christmas echi family chiabo egenda abantu tutageta abantu baike bya ase family chiabo bale moyo bali Christmas bya tali abantu bakwete igegento ngusaba driver cheito tafadhali punguza mwendo kwa parapara zetu igongo saba asabarai baito bonsi pivagusi onye ngakinere tubwene togochamo nenga kibuneye to show leadership asabantu baminto banyorekiranya kenene kabireke igengo saba boni ga difference kyonsi bitobwate political difference turachi tochamo ndabana bamo tokonye gifamily eji tolere ne gifamily eji tolemine gifamily eji igobono agoikira boniga turabeka difference aside nzabye omo gabana itonyalibo nebono moneno itokuru Nyamira county aigie bandere enusu mulingoti ya Nyamira tolere abanta
nigo chifamily bene chieso kirie na gusaba obokonyi kurwa sabarai ao elio bachiye gokora amatanga kobomo yabo basirete amagima abo
iyo mayaka mungino raga konyu akurkucheni kesare kabati nugo yaro minto familia mayaka tusie ya bantu bana familia ya mabari kurwe nyangi kakame kakatite ali kababuza pole ya bashimi waitu alibora anche mubwato moyo muye motokonye simokonye njene kerema ambe kiri chumumo niko beka koro mainanya accident bibi gitaigai Murione konyere ukondwanira lakini omuri kono natigere njeme itara kimbe adi mwana amako abana ngaimbe bari chiso yona atigere itara ine mondo che
kama leta mubika bwana akane ukungara uyosirete mu murominto yaro kumbwati kona ngotoendete gekora ntubwati kende muchiyo na urenge support ayo muchiyo ase familia yae ekogera kirege into nero nkoleta gusema
temporary ya tembo yaro akie timo konyora ndagera motokonye kende motokonya abairi go barabange abandi bagucha bakogenda kurumageriki kitana cyonse so mugakaringe kogenda
samari tankoro ko mushima prisosiamo mushima wa nyama wodi yana mambia bono achire gutara abantu bana barange nyoga bali wanyore to mboso kono gwe para abantu bana barange nyoga basire tia magimabo nanje apili yana to the county government naba abaske ba minto ko batengo naga inga kio bakongo toike familia chiange ikiagero musigo no monene igono kera toko bwatera namo etoko gusuyo musigo oyo no abantu bali baminto basireti
magega yomuboraka William Mongare gutigerwa abana abake batatu magega yomurugiro yegosira ase amarieta Happiness Nyanchama korwa se kenyoro ya Kerenda imeye ward ya township nigo bono bali no mogoko magega yesiro yo koegwe ng'ombe eriyo gutia korenda abana batigari bagukwana ase kanisa ya Nyamira South SDA nige ya mateyo ya mwiraneri omwe MCO township Duke Masiria mbuyamono ase uko bakonye ng'ombe iyo
asa mareta ngoro kuile manga nincho moruya na sirete mwesini wa Duke ya ko ngare ng'ombe na nyanyori mwesini wa Duke yasanya wose kiendo kwange na Kenya na makokave na ondamo na abandi ko memba nkana iga polisi magega Kerenda na irene irio mwesini goito nandi yamono ase ira agiete na ndu nyekira ni enyi gwete buya naende no mogoko mwana uyu no yona nere mukamu muransirete atina tigita abana
incha samarieta igonde chali sio charo macho aseli tukolia rero omwesimi wa Duke twakira ase ngenjo yaye omochiburango no yo sirete no mocho koruburango sirete ase tuteneine no mwesimi wa Duke achete akarieira ngana retere omwana oyo nyagusirerwa monginoye na moretere ng'ombe naenda maene oretire ng'ombe twakira akwani aba yo mwesimiwa nabo igo naende nkeye nayanchete aiga igo turu muchiburango mugima Kerenda town isu magega polisi magega bono naende igo tware gusaba iga abantu borango Nyasaye basisenie ayetata omwana oyo watigeirwa abana abake Nyasaye gosisenie nabo igo naende tware gusaba abantu baminto omwesimiwa naenderete gokonya naende buna mumanyete bono amaiga na abere igo tware gusaba nga ekebindi ekegego chigosoa 2027 amentu amaiga atatu erinda rubo kimaboyi abantu baragire ase igo na kimware bateba abantu borango
byamara biza byanengo kwa Steven muri Steven ogega marita tiange dibageri ase wakira mwesimi goito Duke ase gasingi yakorire yanda okora ase abotie asokora ngokonyire kwaria babwate mechando gobuna kwani apa kanisa na ile bagere kumaka ngambia mono manati amasiseni nenda ngomento ngane kisem ekayanda kutura ase abotie yaito ya township
kanisa ya
kanisa yaito kanisa ya South na South kanisa stone ne gaiga lakini ande saba skulu ngwagi
asamari tan chafet nyarondi ngurukwa mura yo police line kurwasi yo mujaja police line kanisa nkasi kanisa nene ya Nyamira South uyo nyori mujando no arasi mujaji ito bakurwasi kanisa singi jabarisi baba pisi abatetu kandilinga byamona yakwera muri mwesimi wa Duke kajita se kanisa no matanga bereta akaliranga nanyare okonyo muro ya mole ngombe nainde moeno moletera ngombe twabere no mogoko ngambo yakuiria chira na guchikani kulingana na ni Biblia bote
Omwancho muligereria abuno to kwira mangana maya senchira yo bwenge gendera kuligereria emiroberie kubwatia ncheni gonkoro kwa Debora Kirubo.